Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, fellow humans. Today we are diving into the meanings of the beautiful name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Al-Wali. Al-Wali is the sole manager and governor of the whole creation. His government is of such might that the whole creation from beginning to end, even before it was created, is under its will and power. With a single order be, all came into existence from non-existence. Everything appears in this way, managed, developed, and when its time comes, dying, disappearing from sight. Even after death, everything stays under his government and finally will be brought back to life again. In his managing of the creation, Allah knows at all times what has happened, what is happening, and what will happen, as all is planned and predestined. He is the one who wills and He is the one who executes. Prior to your creation, He prepared a program for you, at what moment and place and from which mother you would be born, and all that would happen to you, all that you would do every minute of your life, up to the number of breaths you would inhale, up to the morsels of food that you would consume, every syllable you will pronounce, every sound you will hear, all that you will see and all that you will do is planned. In the whole of creation, He has given will only to human beings. You think you can change your destiny with this will? In reality, your willing only serves your realizing, receiving, benefiting from, and enjoying that which is written for you. When you think you revolt, what would have happened to you still happens to you. Only you are unaware, unconscious, resentful, and in disharmony with what happens. Your will is your ability either to open your eyes to see the creation of Allah in which His beautiful names are manifested, and to receive the light of faith and knowledge, or to revolt and sin, closing your eyes and remaining in darkness. Yet that which exists still exists, whether you see it or you are blind to it. The whole of creation is governed by Allah's knowledge and power. Not a leaf moves without His will. Neither is the movement of the leaf disconnected from other things moved by the same wind, by the same will. Do not think you are left on your own. Know and see that you are part of a divine order under a just, compassionate, beneficent governor, Al-Wali. All is measured, all is registered, all moves swiftly. Use your will to be aware of it, to have faith in it, and to be in harmony with it. So who is Abdul Wali? Abdul Wali is the servant who governs himself and those who are entrusted to his care according to Allah's rule. He is just, He is good, and He dispenses justice and goodness. In return for His services, He receives bounties and wisdom from Allah, with which He further perfects His management and His generosity toward other people. When such a servant teaches others to be just and generous like him, each time those he teaches act justly and generously, he receives twice the reward they receive. The good ruler is the one whose good deeds will surpass his wrongdoings on the scale of the Day of the Judgment. Allah keeps such rulers under the shade of His throne. Allah is the helper of all those who help others. If a believer who holds a responsible position of power, recites this name 1,000 times on Friday for the good of the people under his management, his words will benefit them. They will also be more thankful, respectful, and obedient towards him. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us a more obedient life. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.